I'm going to check this journal. It hasn't been open in a long time. This journal still has the oil in it. Still has this, somebody cared. Somebody looked after this. This wheel may turn. Something we need to know. As a railroader, you would know that if you don't want the car to move, you got to check that the handbrake is secure, and this one is. But you don't want to pull this, because this will allow you to separate the two cars. So we don't want that to happen, because there's oil in that journal box, and what if this car moves? You know what? That's not why I'm here today. Let's just check one more journal box, just at random, filled with oil. That's a beautiful thing to a railroader. Somebody cared. These boxcars are just post-World War II, 1948. I can tell because on the other side, it's stenciled when it was built, February 1948. Probably Trenton, Nova Scotia. Probably was. Also, I'm not going to separate these cars. This is the tender. And this end of the tender car, which every steam locomotive had behind it, was the water. And the forward end was the coal. Let's look at another one. Beautiful. The stuffing is still there. The oil is still there. That bearing is in working condition. I am very pleased. The fireman, he'd be in here, accessing the coal from right there, shoveling it into that firebox. This locomotive was made to go at up to maximum speeds of 100 miles an hour. Imagine, 100 miles an hour. Coal and water. 1905. Aunt Betty and cream, apples. This thing ran through this valley. It's an amazing. I cannot wait for you to all to touch it.